Apply base gel to protect your nails. Apply Perfect Line Gel as a base color. Now, apply Matte Top Gel to give a matte expression. Now, we will use plating gel to make the stamping arts. Apply plating gel on the design that you want. Now dispense a little of cleansers on the tissue and drag colors with the plastic scratcher. We will use a stamp to stamp colors gently. Clean the surface of nails with cleanser before applying the stamped colors. Now, stamp gently on the nails. Now we will use a glow powder on the nails. Apply powders gently on the surface. Now apply guard gel to protect colors and to increase the retention. Apply top gel to finish this amazing arts.